All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the dark times are upon us. Yep, the holidays. If you've been in this business for any length of time, you know stuff's going to start slowing down this time of year. And, you know, sometimes to the point of stupid stuff like customers declining brakes when they're metal to metal, you know, lower car count, you know, people coming in at the last minute, you know, oh, I'm leaving town tonight and I need my car done. You should have thought about that last week. I'm not going to preach to you about saving money if you're on flat rate. You should already know that if you watch my channel. You need to have a savings account, all that kind of good stuff. This is more about being prepared for the frustrations of this time of year. You know, pulling a car in, you know, doing your inspection and nothing sells. You bring a car in for a check engine light, you do your diagnostics, you've got it nailed, and they decline because they can get by without it because they don't have emissions right now. It can be a frustrating time of year. You know, for the pocketbook, if you're flat rate, just in general, you know, because even if you're hourly, days go by a lot faster if you're actually doing stuff instead of, you know, sitting on your phone watching, you know, Flat Rate Master on YouTube. Don't get frustrated. The next car is the next car. You never know what's going to happen. You could pull the next car in and get a 10-hour ticket. You could pull the next car in and get a 5-hour ticket. You don't know. That's the positives and negatives of auto repair. Is, you know, like Tom Hanks said, you never know what you're going to get. So don't get frustrated. Just work it through. Deal with what comes up and enjoy your holidays. As this is going to air after Thanksgiving, you know, happy Thanksgiving. Fortunately, I didn't have videos for Thanksgiving, but because I was on vacation. But don't get frustrated. The next car is the next car. Just enjoy, keep working the problem, keep working the cars. And hopefully, the next one will be a winner. A little inspiration for you for the holidays. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. I'm the I can't even say my tagline. I am the Flat Rate Master. Oh, I am. God, I can't see. I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today, I don't know.